I think I'm not gonna play Roblox today. Oh, you're here, so I have to play Roblox today. If you hear these sounds, I'm gonna take a closer so you can hear it. This is that I'm doing these sounds because I just left to troll you. Okay. So we're gonna play Escape School Lobby. Let's just see one of my games that I love so much. It's mostly don't press the button. So I think we are gonna go for that today. So let's head in. Oh my god. Guys, I want to show you a surprise in this game. Huge speed of dinosaur. Why are the dinosaurs playing? Stop chasing! Oh, thank you. He's like standing there like, wait, let me just roll somebody a cannon. I'm like, Opa. Guys, somebody actually laughing. I'm gonna poop on this guy's head. On his gaming PC. Oh my god. No. Okay, let's go now. And then 10 in the morning. You will say 10 a.m. I have to go up there. Take that. Stupid. What? I have to make. I have to make that Spider-Man a zombie. Chasing him. Let's go, I build it. No. Whoa. That's fake spider. Oh my. Okay. Let's go. Why? We are already. Oh, the round world is spinning so hard that we are falling. Two pieces from the air. Oh! I have 341 times as you can see on the screen. And then just like poop on that. I don't. Wait, this looks okay. This looks okay. This looks okay. This looks okay. That looks okay. This looks okay. Oh, no. Why are they so cheaters? I don't know why. Oh, this looks okay. Okay, this is okay. This alright. Oh, I don't want them. No, 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 no. Oh my god. He made me fall. Somebody just fell out of my poop. And the tomatoes. Silver. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. What are you trying to do? The button is nah. My avatar is better. They should add my. Hey, look at this noob. Oh, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Burgers, don't touch me. I have to go. Oh, my Titanic is sinking. Let's go. Run! The Titanic is sinking. The Titanic people be like, let's go! We are going to die! I think people just left the game. Oh, shoo. Why? Why are you taking the hidden flames off? Wow. Victory. I don't have. Oh no. I'm never walking on the moon ever again. I'm gonna walk on the air because the world is big. Human. Sama? I have to go. I'm alive. I just have to wait. And I even more. Oh yeah. Why I am so lucky. The video is like for 3 minutes now. Well, and I'm never going to get a DJ in my life. It's one time. So guys, this video is like going to be for 24 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna be the winner because I'm always the winner. Oh yeah, I'm in the first. Cool. I'm bad. I can be the first. Let's go. I'm the first one. So fast. Drinking coffee so fast here in my life. Football. Let's go. Where is the football? Where is the football? Let's go. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, let's go! Oh, let's go! Yeah, good. Let's go. Oh, he did too! Oh, yeah, good! Especially very good at football. Nah, don't you dare, but not in Roblox. I'm little bit good at Roblox. I have played, have started guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Right. Oh my. It's this way. What? How did you... Let's go. Look at the people struggling. And so, like, we. That's too easy. I've played these all in Obby before. You haven't seen me because I just played one. I just started my channel in 2025 and it's 2026. I started my channel 1 year ago. And 50! Oh, where's the hoverboard now? Yeah, but give me my hoverboard. Give me my hoverboard. Where is my little boy? Like, good old days. Oh my. He just exploded. Thank you so much. Oh, this is. The girls are like. Oh, that should. Oh, boys. I don't want to. Oi. Oh my. Let's go. Okay. Mateo. You bacon to eat poop. Take this coffee, drink it. Guys, I'm gonna win. I'm pro at this. I have played this game like 2 days ago and I'm pro at this level. I told you. I don't know how I reached the end. You saw me. Okay. Oh, I have to finish that. Go. Let's go. Alright. And people follow, they'll just see this poop slide. I'm dancing no girls allowed by area. What? I'm not gonna dance with this boys. have think alone. Alright, let's go repair the boat for the easy parts. Look, whoever leaves this game at this level at independent. Here's a video record from. Let's go. Did I just fell out of the map? I just fell out of the map. Let's do a poopy. Let me have my small bow. This thing. Let's go. Get out of here. Let's go. I got it. I'm driving. Whee! Oh, oopsie. Oh. Okay, I have to go from here. Go to the boat. Let's go. I'm on the bonnet, alright? Is this? Alright. Video is for 17 minutes. Now you only have little bit minutes. Easiest part! Oh, we already winning. The team red did a goal for us, bro. No! Let's go. Oh, okay. Okay. Radio Dodo. Come on. So it's ended. Guys, I have to no. Because no, nah. Why guys actually so bad. Another video has been 19 minutes now. Okay. Guys, if you want to play Roblox, my name is Mr. Alex Albi, and this is me. last book was like the middle of the last time. Guys, we have 4 videos. What reward are they? For like days. I have been trying for that. Look. Oh my god, warrior. Okay. Oh nah. 3 minutes left. No. Nah. I'm not getting the bomb. Are you yes? Who's getting? You are getting the bomb. Oh, nah. Somebody else is getting the bomb. Come on! What's the bomber? No. Now. Top of this thing. Nah. We have like 2 minutes left. Right. This is good. 6. You bomber. The 1 minute left. Nolan Black. Oh, found it. No. Only 1 minute left. Poopies. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and hit that like and subscribe right now before my character eats you. So bye. I hope you like the video.